In front of me is VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you need to open your phone gallery, then go to the contacts and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Actually, all of my contacts has some picture, but I can smoothly and quickly remove it. Maybe let's take Eddie. I will edit it at first and remove current photo. Let me remove it, click on save, and that's it. So now, once you want to add profile picture to some contact, select it, tap on edit contact, click on camera icon, and click on choose photo. Obviously you can take a photo if someone is sitting right in front of you, but I will just pick something from my gallery. And now just pick the picture that you would like to add to this contact. You can crop it via albums or photos, it's up to you. I will choose albums. Now pick the layout, click on confirmation mark and tap on save. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to Eri. Every time Eri will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.